Well, that's gonna make for some good background noise. Sorry, guys. It's alright, we gotta let our audience build up anyways. So we are in front of the Morton County Correctional Center. Today we went to Bismarck to attend Angry Bird's court today. And they were gonna release custody of Angry Bird today, so we went to go meet them at the Federal District Court in Bismarck. And when we got there, we were, I guess I'm not really shocked that Morton County is pulling some shady stuff. And they said they were going to release him. I talked to the U.S. Marshals and they were going to release him. But they weren't going to release custody to us. They were going to release custody to Morton County. So even though he attended court today and took care of his stuff in Burleigh County, Morton County is now taking custody over from Burleigh County. So Angry Bird is going to be transferred today, hopefully. And he has court tomorrow at 1:30.
What courthouse?
Here in Mandan, at Morton County Courthouse. And we also called Brennan Nastasio, turned himself in this morning. He also will be in court, not tomorrow, but on the 28th.
It was rescheduled to the 28th at 2 o'clock.
So if you guys want to come and show your support for them, I'm hoping that we can get Angry Bird out tomorrow. And I'm hoping that we can get Brennan out as well. So I'm having flashbacks here, being in Morton County. That I'll show you guys. Hold on, let me flip the camera. I don't know if you guys can see. See that little garage over there? That's where they take orders. That's where I was taken and thrown in a dog kennel. I haven't been back here since. But so that is the update on Angry Bird. I was happy because I thought he was going to get out today, but that feeling was short-lived because we're dealing with Morton County. So we should never be surprised or shocked at the shady moves that Morton County makes. Never underestimate Morton County. That is disgusting, Rick. I agree with you. So,
everybody keep Angry Bird in your prayers. He has health issues he's suffering from, and he really needs us to pray for him and continue to show your support, because we all know, I mean, most people know, or you should know, that they don't provide proper health care treatment while you're incarcerated. That's a big problem with our correctional system in this country. And we need to make sure he gets the best health care possible for his needs.
And it's even worse treatment for water protectors. Every time I've called Morton County Clerk of Courts, they've been pretty decent with me on the phone. And then today when I had called, when I was trying to get information when I was at Burleigh County Detention Center, and I was trying to get information on Angry Bird's court for tomorrow, and I told her his name, her attitude changed real quick, and she was extremely rude to me on the phone. So just be aware that these are the types of things that we're dealing with, that water protectors are going to unfortunately have to continue dealing with. So keep Angry Bird and Brennan in your guys' prayers, because...
And everybody else that's locked up, all the other political prisoners, because that's what they are. Rattler, all of them. We're praying for all of them. We're going to also find out any other information we can on the other people that are incarcerated right now facing court days, and we'll be posting updates on those.
Okay, so we'll be back tomorrow. We will come to his court tomorrow, and hopefully he will be released tomorrow. If Morton County doesn't decide to pull some other shady moves out of a hat. I hope they don't. So just keep everyone in your prayers, everybody that is incarcerated or that is facing charges or currently waiting to go trial. And if you guys didn't catch any water protectors that do not have representation yet, if you guys didn't catch my live feed, was that last night?
Yeah.
From last night, go on there. I pinned in the comments the Water Protector Legal Collective information for arrestees, and I also pinned in there the Morton County Clerk of Courts, because we don't want water protectors missing their court dates. So it's more smart for you to call Morton County Clerk of Courts and reschedule your court date instead of missing your court date, because you don't want to have a bench warrant, because this is a perfect example of what happened today. You know, we thought a water protector was going to be released, and he had an outstanding bench warrant in Morton County and was transferred there, so I'm hoping that we can get him out tomorrow. But we will post an update as soon as we know anything tomorrow. But I don't like to stay in Morton County for too long, so we're going to head back to camp. So we'll let you guys know when we know more. Anything else you want to say?
No dapple.
No dapple.